Hi, Katie. Thanks for helping Angelina out with her online Province stats. Once you enter that access code, it will pop up looking like this. Um, I'll run you through some things. On the right, it's always a list of things that are due. Here we have how to replace a zero. If things are overdue, I put them in as zeros, and the students can go back and get them done when they have time for full credit. But they have a zero just to reflect the accurate grade. Some students have been having trouble here with the Adobe Flash, so if she runs into these problems, I'd start with the top video. It's Kevin Jost explaining how to do things. And then our textbook is here. It's all ready for her to go. Each section has textbook problems, and so it like walks you through how do you do this, different chapters. You can quickly switch to the page that you want. Let me back up here for a sec. And then there's also a solutions manual, very handy to give her the correct answers. In this orientation folder, there's a video by Kevin Jost. It should be in all of her online classes, but she has to watch it just once, of course, because it's the same video of Kevin telling how things work online. And then this welcome video is really important. It's me talking about how to use the course, where everything is, what I expect. After she's viewed that, there are some more student resources, just like little study sheets. I don't know that most kids use them, but they're there just in case. And then she just begins with week 1. And in each week, there's just a list of things to work through. Anything with the puzzle piece that's green is something that they have to do and will show up in the grade book. And following all the way through, we are currently on week 7, so I don't know if she's done anything with Prob Stat, or I would recommend starting at the beginning, just because every Prob Stat book is different and they put things in different orders. Of all the online classes, Prob Stat is probably one of the easier ones, so encourage her that way. Like last week, when you look at it, there were only 2 things due. So it should, go fairly quickly for her. If you have any questions, I would love to help you, or I would love to help Angelina out as well. Just let me know. Thanks, Katie.